Okay, let's start out with the Garden of Banban crew, okay? We're gonna go through this. It's a group shot, but it's gonna be for beginners, okay? So I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna curve right here. And you wanna kinda keep it halfway down the page because there's gonna be, a Jumbo Josh is gonna be way in the back. It's gonna be huge. Curve over here for the head. Circle. Let's go over here on this side. Circle. Curve for the pupil inside there. And curve right here for the pupil. And I'm going to fill that in. If you like the Garden of Banban, hit the like button. It helps the channel out. And yeah, it's going to let me know what to draw more of. Going to go over here on this side. Curve down for the beak. Line down over here where the beak connects to the face. Curve over here and line underneath. Line right here for the neck. Stay to the very end, by the way. We're gonna have Jumbo Josh at the back. So, and curve over here, completing that circle for the body. We're going with the wing now. Curve on the side, right here for the top part of the wing. And it almost looks like an umbrella opened up right here. See, it's kind of this wobbly shape on the bottom. Line down, line down, line down, line down for the legs. And then 3 spikes for the feet. Right on. So that's 1. Okay. We're gonna draw, let me see, about 6 characters. So curve over here. We want a little bit of overlap. Let's see. Line to for the shoulder. A little bit of overlap to show that they're in the same picture, right? And curve down over here. Up, up for the arm. Curve across the top. Down over here to the other arm. Curving up here. And now we're going to draw down here for the torso. And down over here for the legs, which the legs are a lot stubbier. 3 spikes for the feet. 3 spikes for the feet. Up, down. All right, let's go into the eyes now, okay? So the eyes is a huge eyes right here. It's huge for the body type. Go over here to the right. Another circle. Smile here. Make that smile look kind of like a hot dog, like that's gonna be the thickness of the lip, the lower lip. And line right here for the spikes on the mouth there. Gonna draw a curve over here for the eye, kind of looking over that way. And I'm gonna fill this in right here. Same thing over here on that side. Okay, let's go over here to this side now, and we'll draw a curve for the top of the jellyfish. And I've drawn all these characters individually before. You take your time on each one. You can always look at the playlist. I believe I have a Garten of Banban playlist, I think. If not, I'll make one right after this. But hit the like button and definitely share the video if you enjoy it. But I want to hear from you too. I want to hear what it is that you like to draw in the comments. So in the comment what you like to draw, and I'll try to make that happen. I'm gonna go over here now. Circle for the center eye, that single eye. Fill it in right there. And now we're going to draw the tentacles. And the tentacles can be anywhere. Okay. I would recommend drawing about 6, but you can kind of get away with changing it up. And just make a wiggly line and then give thickness to it. That would be the biggest recommendation for sure. That'd be for sure the easiest character to draw because there's no rules when it comes to the tentacles right there. Not that there's any rules in all this stuff, so let's go over here on this side and I'm going to draw, let me see, I'm going to start with a head over here, up, down, across the top of the head there. Circle here for the center of the bow. Out here for the side of the bow. Over here on this other side for the other side. Line up, down. And pull a line down here for the head shape. Over here, down. Down over here this side, over here, down. And let's draw the eyes. Circle for that eye. Circle for that eye. Curve, curve. Fill it in, fill it in. Line underneath. And I'm gonna fill this in. Right there. Cool, cool. Let's go over here to the other side. So, very similar shape at the top, except the top are gonna be the party hats. Curve right there for that point. It's like a cylinder. Right next to it is another cylinder. Down over here, up. Down right here, over here, down. Curve down over here, down. Circle for the eye. Circle for the eye. Dot. Dot. Line underneath. Curve. Tongue sticking out. Curve right here. For the other, so he's got the tongue sticking out of the mouth. And then we're gonna fill this in because you want it to make sure it looks like, you know, the back of the mouth there. And now let's draw Jumbo Josh in the back. He's gonna be huge, so we'll come in comparison. So curve, circle, like a egg shape on its side. Down right here. And down right here. You can barely see him because he's kind of in the background there. And if you want, you can draw a little bit of his torso going down like in the back there, just to show that he's not like a giant blob, because they're hiding, you know, the way he looks there. And let's go over here and draw the circle for one eye. Circle for the other eye. Don't forget, there's a cute drawing ebook. Go take a look at that in the description if you've actually gotten to this point. But if you have gotten to this point, share the video. It really makes a huge difference when you share it. Circle, circle for the inner eye right there, the pupil and iris. Fill it in. Whoopsie, that was a total mistake, but it's fine. We can handle that. Line across. Curve down underneath here for the lower portion of his mouth. And then we're going to draw the U shapes for the teeth. U shape over here for the teeth underneath. Fill it in. Fill it in over here. Just kind of filling in this dark spot in the back of his mouth so that we can, you know, it'll make sense of the drawing a lot more. Definitely say hi in the comments if you got to this point so that I know that you saw the whole video. And I want you to stick around and watch another video with me, okay? There you go. Stick around. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.